23% of all contract dollars must go to small businesses. We all know that the US federal government is the biggest buyer in the world, with the Department of Defense spending close to $900 billion a year and a military-industrial complex that is through the roof. Why not get that piece of the pie? You deserve that piece of the pie. 12 Laws for Government Contracting. This book will teach you the fundamentals of securing your very first government contract. You can find it on my website as well as Amazon and Barnes & Noble. There's even a Spanish version, para los que pueden leer español. The intention of this book is simple: to teach you how to do business with the US government. With these 12 laws, you'll understand the basic principles of how the US government structures its contracts with tips and tricks on navigating the federal procurement system. Cause let's face it, government contracting is not a very sexy subject. It is boring. There's a high barrier to entry because most people don't want to put in the effort to learn the basics. This book will teach you the basics. Not only will this book give you a clearer picture of how things work, but it will also provide a new perspective from a former contracting officer that will serve you throughout your journey. Government contracts provide a stable customer base and a consistent revenue stream. And if you're able to land a government contract, it not only boosts your business financially, but also gives you the credibility and opens doors to more opportunities, both in government and private sectors. The 12 laws in this book cover subjects such as ethics, why ethics is crucial when dealing with taxpayer dollars; the Federal Acquisition Regulation, understanding the rules that govern federal contracts; government agencies, identifying and engaging with the right agencies; certifications, how certifications can open doors to contracting opportunities; knowing your product, why it's important to truly understand your product or service; capability statements, crafting a strong capability statement that gets attention; the contracting team, building a team to manage government contracts; contract types, the different types of contracts you'll encounter; protests, what to do if things go wrong and how to handle protests; partnerships and joint ventures, leveraging partnerships to expand your business; subcontractors, how to work with subcontractors effectively; performance, delivering on your contract and ensuring future opportunities. Each of these laws is a step to securing and delivering on government contracts. But as you'll notice, the very first law in the book is ethics. Some people think you don't need to have ethics to win government contracts, and while that may be true in some cases, we made ethics the very first chapter because we believe it's the most important. When you're working with taxpayer dollars, you have a responsibility to maintain the highest ethical standards. It's not just about winning a contract and making money, it's about delivering value to the government and the public. By the end of this book, you'll have a strong foundation on government contracting and a roadmap for your business. You'll learn how to engage with government agencies, structure your bids, and deliver on your contracts with confidence. So whether you're just getting started or you've been doing this for a while, 12 Laws for Government Contracting is designed to give you the edge you need in this competitive space. If you want to grab a copy, the book's available now. The link is in the description. Trust me, this book is a great primer to have and will change your approach to government contracting.